tackling this chair. It's in great need of a revamp. So I'm gonna go ahead and just remove everything and then figure out how I'm gonna prop the camera so that you guys can see what I'm doing. See you in a minute. Hey guys, so I'm all set up. I'm sorry about all the noise in the background. They are doing landscape, so my apologies. I dug around the garden and looked for some plants I can use. I'm actually going to be brave and use cuttings in this, but keeping in mind looking out for the weather. So we are supposed to not get any rain till Tuesday. So today is Tuesday, so 1 week from now that's when we get rain, and I believe that 1 week from now this should be rooted. Some of them yeah, the ones that I currently have right here that I'll be placing have been cast over, but if I decide to get more, oh yeah, there is one that has not been cast over, and that's the euphorbia that I'm going to use for this arrangement. Haven't put a lot of thought into it yet. I have some ideas, but not like full-blown ideas of what I'm gonna do and how I'm gonna do it. So I got this trailing jade right here, very pretty. This I do already. I know I want it like up here, and then hopefully it'll just, you know, grow and multiply. So this, it was a real chair, so there's metal in between because I didn't cut it out, but it's fine. I could have cut the metal part out, but it's fine. And well, I did it before and it was fine. So let me just need to make sure this is in there because it has some weight to it, you know, hanging down. Just want to make sure it's in there. I removed most of the soil that was in here. Okay, so that will be like that, and then let's see. I have the super cute super bum. These have been casting over, so I'm hoping that they root quickly. They're so pretty, but they do grow slightly tall, so maybe I can just put them here. 2 of these. Spider web. Okay, so I definitely don't want to lose these, so I will be paying attention to the weather. And then these are the, I know it's Blue Pearl, but I always forget the first name because I don't know if it's Patchy whatever, or there's so many similar ones. So what's it called? I'll put it on the screen though. I don't know if it's a good idea to put them right here because these actually grow tall. So I don't know, because then they'll compete with that. Maybe I'll put them here next to the jade because I don't want them to compete with this one. This one has roots. Okay, so there we go. Cuttings are so easy to work with, you know? Okay, I got it. I'm gonna go get the euphorbia that I want to use for this. So, the euphorbia, though, I think will take a bit longer to root. So I will definitely need to move this on Tuesday if it rains. Actually, I'll probably move it. If it still says that it's gonna rain, if Monday night it says it's gonna rain, I'm gonna move it because I don't want to risk rain come while I'm sleeping, you know. So yeah, so that one is there, and then I have this jade. I'm undecided because I like the color that it has, but where it's gonna be pretty shaded, so it might not keep this color. So let me look around and make some more decisions of what plants I want to put in here. Yeah, I just gotta move it back a little bit. So first, I think I'm gonna put these concoys. These are what is it? Another type of concoy that I like. I showed you guys the other ones. I think the other ones are called lavender, and then these are possibly, like, the nickname is lavender, not the actual scientific or whatever you want to call it name. I don't know if these are gonna stay propped up, to be honest. They need, I could just pack some soil behind it. I need to do that in order for them to stay, and pack some soil behind it. If I can get in there. There we go. This one. The metal's right here, so I gotta work around that metal. You can't stay. Okay. What happened? Okay, that's better. It's fine. Okay. So then these I'll move slightly back. Okay. So, what was I thinking? I was thinking about something. Oh, I said that these grow tall, so that's why I'm not putting them there. But there's another plant that I want to use, but I would need to move these. So we're gonna go ahead and put these here. Okay, and then I have to take out soil. This one has roots. This is a Vermilia I've had for a while. I don't know how I'm gonna take out soil. It's gonna be difficult. I might have to take these out and probably then put them back in, because they're gonna be in the way of me taking out the soil. I don't like doing that, but I have to. See, there's, oh, you know what? I don't know if I'll be able to do it 'cause it's in the way. Okay, so maybe I'll shift this one this way. I don't know if I can fit it in there. We'll see. I'll try first. I haven't even seen the root, so maybe it doesn't have like a super deep root or a big root. So we'll see about that. Okay. So this is the bromeliad. And I've had it for a long time, but I decided to use it because where this is going, in the same area, many of these plants have been in the same area. Yeah, so I'm thinking that they're gonna do good. I'm gonna go ahead and trim the roots on this just a little bit. Okay, here's the bromeliad. Look at how pretty she is. So, you would think that she would need lots of sun to keep the color, but she doesn't. Because the one that I have inside, on top of the red table over there, does not get a lot of sun. I think it gets dappled light, if anything. So yeah. And she stays red. So we'll see how she does in there. I'm just gonna cut. Okay. Oh, look. And I thought that, what's it called? I'm gonna put her in an angle like this, like coming out. I think I like that. Move it slightly, like right there. And pack that back up. Yep, that looks better. Okay, so now where's oh, they're right here in the front. I don't like that I'm touching them and messing up their footing up, but that's what I have to do for now because they're cuttings, and then I need to push it down. That's the only way I can push it down. Okay, I'm liking it. Okay, so that's that, and then what's it called? I have these cuttings here for the firestorm. I don't know if I want to use them now. They're gonna compete with the other ones. They do kind of trail off too, so I don't know. I had other ideas for the front. I'm wondering if I should do it or not. Maybe. This thing is going to be a little overdone, but I'm okay with that. Sometimes my arrangements can be very simple. I know many of you like to see a packed arrangement. Oh no, I hurt. It's because I don't have something to make a hole. That's why I'm struggling. I should have had something to make a hole with so that I'm not struggling, but that's fine. So it's only 3 of them, so I'm just gonna go ahead and prop them right here, and of course knock some more leaves down because I'm not prepared. Didn't bring any tools to make holes. Look at here to this side. And grab it from the bottom. Okay, lots of color. I like it. So that's done there. And then I have these little, I can't remember the name of these. They also do tend to trail when they grow big enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. Okay, I think I'm done. I'm going to use my turfus to dress it up because, well, that's all I have. That's all I've been using lately, so I haven't been buying rock. So I'm gonna do that and then show you guys what it looks like. Guys, here it is. It's in its place. I think it's gonna be beautiful. So the super bum, that one that grew beautifully, was right here. And let's see, well, jade we know grows well everywhere. Here I have some jade, the trailing jade, and then here I have more trailing jade. And then, well, this one probably won't have as much color later on. This one right here, because this one does get some sun right here in the morning, and then in the afternoon you see dappled light. So possibly the euphorbia that's right there is right here. See, I took some cuttings off of this one. It's grown so beautifully here and it's produced so many babies, so I'm excited about that. This arrangement, I did it a while ago. I can share the video with you guys. But here is the bromeliad. It's back here. She looks really happy. So yeah, I think she's gonna do well. Where she got the other one will do well right there. So I hope you guys like this and give it a thumbs up. That's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and have a blessed day, guys. Thank you. Maxie says bye-bye. What are you doing? Are you pooped? It's early. It's probably only 9 o'clock in the morning and it's still cool out here. What's wrong with you, huh? I love you. I love you. I love you. Bye, guys.